Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and to this video, I will teach you how to add Google News widget to your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. So okay guys, you only have to do is press the two finger on your screen on Oppo A5s mobile phone and slide closer to see the widget below. And okay guys, you only have to do is select the widget or click widget, and now you can see the widget below. And okay guys, now you can find the widget by scrolling to the left or to the right. And okay guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to add Google News widget. And okay guys, here the Google News widget. And okay, to add this, okay, you'll have to do is click the Google News widget. And okay guys, we have successfully add the Google News widget to your Oppo A5s mobile phone. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.